So I've got 8x squared. Why do you think everybody's so tired today? Plus 3, because it's Thursday. Plus 3x, plus we've been taking notes every day. Minus 12x squared. Minus 1. So remember this negative 1, what we're going to do is we've got to distribute that through the parentheses. So negative 1 times 12x squared becomes a negative 12x squared. And then negative 1 times negative 1 just becomes positive 1. And then over here, I've got an 8x squared plus a 3x. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this process, look for x squareds. Those are here, right? So then negative 12 plus 8 gives me a negative 4x squared. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for x to the first power. There's only one of those. That's all right. And then lastly, I'm going to look for no x's. And there's nothing to add it to. So I'm left with negative 4x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now, that's the result, but what they really want me to do is tell them what kind of problem it is or what type of expression it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on two things. One is, what's the highest power? Well, this is a second degree polynomial. Why? Because the highest power of x in this thing is the second degree. So whenever something's raised to the second degree, we call that a quadratic. Remember that? It's been a couple days, but quadratic. Right? So second degree is a quadratic. Do you guys know how to read cursive? All right, now how many terms do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 terms. What's that word, that fancy word Mr. Adams taught you that means 3 terms? How many wheels are on a bicycle? It's a trinomial. Trinomial just means 3 terms. So this is a quadratic trinomial. That's it for that one.